Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to scan documents on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to scan documents on any iPhone, open the Notes app. Now from here, just tap on New Document. Now from here, just tap on the attach icon over your keyboard, just like that. Now from here, just tap on Scan Document. Now from here, you have a few options. If you tap on Auto, you have the option of Auto and Manual. Now if the scanner is on Manual, you have to press the shutter button manually to scan your document. Now if you tap on Manual and if you change the option to Auto, the scanner will scan the document automatically and you don't have to press the shutter button. Now from here, there is the option of Flash. Now, if it is on Auto, and when you scan the document, it will automatically enable the flashlight when scanning the document. You can turn off this option or you can turn it on, just like that. And also there is the option of filters. Now from here, let's place a document. Now from here, there is the option of grayscale. Also, there is the option of black and white. And there is the option of photo. Let's select grayscale. Now from here, let's scan this document. Now as you can see, we have scanned the document. And as you can see, as we applied the grayscale filter, the colors on the document has converted to grayscale. Now from here, you have the option to retake the scanned document. If you do not like the result, you can delete the scanned document, you can rotate it, you can apply filters, or you can crop the document. Now from here, once you're satisfied with the result, just tap on Done. And this is how you can scan documents on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.